Is it legal for a police officer to tell a lie about a citizen that he's trying to suppress evidence, or if he's friends with a guy who brutally assaulted me, to cover up evidence?
Well,
And I was just at the FBI office downtown.
lying itself is not illegal, but lying for a court proceeding would be.
Lying for a corporate. What if let me give you a better example. Obviously, I'm videotaping you. What if you, yeah, you too. What if you, and I know that you would never do this. It's just a hypothetical example, badge number 56.
Okay.
What if you were best friends with the guy that owns Extreme Auto Parts? And what if he hit me in the head with a brick? Or punched me in the face, which is what actually happened. I fell backwards, hit my head, and my stuff was all over. And when I refused to go on the ambulance, because I don't like ambulances, the officers, the 5 Middleburg Heights police officers that were there said, well, if you don't want medical treatment, you got all your stuff. I said, no, where's my Snapple? Where's my Snapple I was carrying when I was hit in the head. And then when I went next door to Kim, the owner of Title Co. at Pearl and Bagley, she said, Joe, you're bleeding. My white shirt had blood in the back. One of the Middleburg Heights police about a month or two later said, well, we don't know if you put that blood there. Well, I went directly next door and she said, Joe, you're bleeding. I took off my shirt, I turned it around. So when I said I don't have all my stuff, where's my Snapple? It was underneath a car, because somebody punches you in the head and you fall backwards and hit your head. I had a half a dozen things in my hand. So one of the officers retrieved my Snapple that I drank half of, that the cap was on. It was underneath the truck. So again, hypothetically, I don't know you. I've never seen you before. Have you ever seen me?
I don't think so.
Well, we're strangers then. But we're having a nice cordial conversation. And I live in Middleburg Heights. You know that we share a zip code with you guys.
Yeah.
So hypothetically speaking, because I know that you would never do such a thing, but if you or some other officer was friends with the guy at Extreme Auto Pros, which is not where this brutal assault on my life occurred, it's just an example. And if you didn't investigate it intentionally or covered up some stuff, and so that he couldn't be prosecuted because you're best friends with him, maybe he married your daughter, whatever, would that be a crime for a police officer to intentionally cover up evidence?
Maybe.
Maybe or definitely? You're not an attorney, neither am I, but you and I both know we're not idiots. You don't look like an idiot.
What I would do is, if I was friends with somebody and something happened at their place, I would let another officer handle it, so I'm not involved in just.
Because it would be a conflict of interest, wouldn't it?
Yep.
But if you didn't excuse yourself, or recluse yourself as they call it, if you're a judge, and you covered up an evidence of a crime that could have been murder.
That's no good.
Oh, well, that it was kind of a rhetorical question, but now that we know that it's no good, let me make sure the brightness is up all the way. It's very bright sunlight. Thank you
All right.
for your service. Thank you for being willing. God forbid, I'm going to keep you in my prayers in this
Thank you.
crazy world. But thank you for being willing, if necessary. You've taken an oath to protect and serve. Thank you for being willing to run towards the bullets when I can assure you I'm going to be running away. I don't have a bulletproof vest or a gun.
All right.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Yeah, I'm not the one that's going to need it, if you know what I mean.
All right.
I mean, thank you for saying, hey, we all need God's help. I mean, may God bless you and all of the Parma Heights police officers, and even all of the Middleburg Heights police officers, including the ones that may or may not have committed a crime. I want God to bless all of us in our country in this crazy time that we happen to be living in.
All right.
God bless America. Thank you very much. And by the way, the mayor, do you know Mayor Matthew Castelli?
No.
Well, he's been the mayor for 8 years. Do you know his personal assistant, Judy, for 8 years? Who was also the personal secretary to the previous mayor for 1 year? They're going to be watching this video of you.
Oh, great.
And it might go viral. You might be seeing it on the 11 o'clock news. I hope not.
right.
Well, you look great. And let me do this one more time. Thank you for being the exact opposite of some, let's be accurate here, some of the Middleburg Heights police officers. Because some of them, like Officer Kelly that I spoke with this morning, a very young female blonde, and that's her first name. Her last name is Tusing. She goes by Kelly, Officer Kelly. She is awesome, just like you.
Oh, good. I did a good
Thank
experience.
you. But thank you for being the opposite of Chief Swanson, who was not the mayor's first choice. That's why he interviewed a bunch of people. And Chief Tombo just retired
Got
after.
pooped on by a bird.
What happened?
A bird just pooped on me.
Let me get him. Give me that gun. Give me your gun. That is disrespectful. Let me yell at the.
I gotta go clean up.
I bet that doesn't happen every day. At least I hope not.
Nope.
Maybe that's a sign from God that you're a good guy and.
That's supposed to be good luck, but I don't think
Well, I don't want any of that kind of good luck if you.
just missed you.
Yeah, well, at least it didn't hit me in the face or in the
All right.
mouth.
I'm going
Thank
to clean
you.
up. Bye.
Be safe.